In this video, let's take a look at why your iPhone answers calls automatically. So this might be a thing a lot of people know about or notice on their phones, that they don't pick up calls manually, but it just does it. The phone does it on its own, and it is part of the accessibility feature. So in the settings, locate the accessibility section, get inside, and from there scroll down a bit more until you find the touch section. From here at the bottom, there is the call audio routing, so you can find it right there. And the auto answer calls feature is very likely the thing that you need to turn off. So for me, it is turned off right now, but what I can do is essentially enable it, and then it's gonna pick up my calls and also adjust the seconds, the amount of time after which it's gonna do it, right? So perhaps the call might ring for 10 seconds before it gets picked up automatically, or the least amount of time is 3 seconds. But if you don't want this, you can turn it off and you're gonna be fine, just picking up the calls manually. Other than that, as you can see, my software is running up to date, but generally speaking, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for this in case there is a glitch or something going on in the software which makes the phone app not work properly. But other than that, that's basically it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.